welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this Taupe eye look. If you guys want to stick around and see how I got this look, then keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I used a very inexpensive palette to do this. I used the Sweetest palette by Beauty Creations. I want to say it's like $10 to $12. I could be wrong, but I will link it down below if you guys want to buy it. I'm going to be priming my face with the Professional and the facial spray from Lunadeu. And I'm just going to put that on my face. Oh yeah, so I'm using an E.L.F stippling brush to put on the foundation. So I use the NARS foundation in Duoville. So now I'm just stippling on the foundation on my skin. Bring it a little bit down the neck. For a concealer, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty 145, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner right here of my eye. I like to use this combo. This one's a little bit lighter and this one's just like, it matches my foundation. So I just like to put these together to conceal. I'm going to show you how I dot these on together. So the Fenty Beauty, I put it in the corner right here. I'll get the E.L.F Cosmetics concealer brush and I'll blend that in. And I'm going to take the Too Faced concealer in the shade Almond. And I'll put that right here. And a little bit on the eyelid. Okay, that's more than a little bit, but you know. Okay, so now that I put on the foundation, concealer, I'm gonna put a little bit of the spray. I'm going to be using this really big, it's a face and body sponge by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to spray it with some Evian water. And I'm just going to pat my skin. So I just do like a little by my neck. Okay. These blend out super good. And I blend them out with a brush as well. So I'm going to use another stippling brush. I'm going to use the Real Techniques stippling brush. Milk Makeup blush and work. I'm just putting it on my cheeks, a little on my nose, and I'm gonna blend that out with the same brush, the stippling brush by Real Techniques. I'm gonna use that to blend it out. I'm going to be setting my face with the Makeup Revolution and Banana. And then I'm using a setting brush from Real Techniques. For my brows, like always, I take just a brow gel. And I'm using the Framer's Brows by Clean Color. It looks like this. Like this. And then just brush it towards the front of my brow hair. And I focus it mostly right here. I'm taking the Sephora pencil in Rich Chestnut, and I'm just going to do some light strokes in my brow. I just do some hair light strokes wherever the brow is sparse. Very lightly, so it doesn't look too harsh. There's not much of a difference, but a slight difference. I'm gonna be highlighting my face with the Model Owns highlighter in Golden Sand. So yeah, mine is broken and I haven't tried fixing it. I only fixed it once and I just gave up and never fixed it again. But I'm gonna use a small little fan brush. Onto the tops of my cheek. I'm gonna run it towards my brow bone, very lightly. I'm gonna run a little bit on the tip of my nose. Ooh, that's a little too much. I'm just gonna rub some. A little bit on my chin. I'm gonna put a little bit on my collarbones too. So I'm gonna be using the Cheeky Wink Flush Blush by Neutrogena and the Boysenberries. So it's like a putty material. It's kind of squishy. So you can use your fingers, but I'm gonna use a synthetic brush, and I'm using a stippling brush. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on my nose to give me like a flushed look. So for the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Beauty Creations The Sweetest palette, and it looks like this. I'm going to be taking a Morphe M433, and I'm going to be using the Cotton Candy shade. Just dip in there a little bit more. And I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to just swirl it around my eyelid. I think this palette was meant to dupe a Too Faced palette. It works pretty good for the price. If you don't want to buy a Too Faced palette, you can always do this dupe for it. I think it might have been a dupe for the Peach palette. But I'll link it down below if you guys want to buy it. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm gonna grab an M321. Looks like this. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of Lollipop. And I'm gonna put it right here in the outer corner. Just very little. And then I'm gonna grab, now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm gonna grab a little bit of fudge. That would be very pretty. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of fudge on the same brush. And You know what? Let's just smoke out the whole eye. Let me grab a different brush. That one is not working for me. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this dual fiber eye brush and I'm gonna use that instead. I am getting a little bit of fallout, so I would recommend maybe putting a little bit of setting powder before doing this. I think I'm gonna have to do that because I don't want to have black. It's not black, it's like a brown, purpley brown shade. So I'm gonna put a little bit of setting powder just so it doesn't mess up my under eye. Be right back. I put a little bit of airspun under my eye just to catch all the fallout. And I'll just sweep it off. But let me just continue doing what I was doing. So, still taking the color fudge right here. I'm gonna grab a slightly smaller detail brush, and this is the M508, and it looks like this. I'm just gonna grab a little bit more of that flush color and put a little bit under my lower lash line. Just kind of tapping it in there very lightly. Now I'm just going to grab a big fluffy brush by Morphe, the M504. It's clean, it doesn't have anything on it, and I'm just going to blend out the whole eyeshadow. Just a tiny bit more on a different brush. It's a small little packing brush, and I'm just going to pack it on. It's a Lash Sensational mascara for my eyes. I didn't put any falsies on. I'm running a little bit more of that Model's Own highlight on my brow bone, like so. So I'm going to be using the Baby Lips Crayon Balm in Blush Burst. I'm gonna dab it on. I'm not going to color it in, but I'm going to dab it on the lips. And I forgot to do this, but I'm going to put a little bit of highlight on my Cupid bow. I'm also going to put a very, very minimal amount of that highlight in my inner corner with my finger. Just going to tap it in, take it off, and just kind of go in with it. And I'm going to do a little bit of lower lash mascara, so be right back. And I did my mascara. Looks like that. Okay, so now that the look is all done, I'm just gonna use the Maro spray to set my face.
Let's go down to the beach, get something to eat, maybe for you and me. Let's look out at the stars and see who we are.